Morning, dear students. Yesterday I've given you homework to solve this exercise, and I hope you have completed. Today you'll get answers the later on. Um, Now we will start with the next page. That is um, a new trouble. Mama has said that he would take me around to see Ahmedabad. Okay, what Mama told to Tejal that today he is going to take her to see around, right? The children around here talk a lot about riverfront. Okay, if you remember, if you have visited Ahmedabad recently, I mean, year or 2 years back, then you can see that riverfront area is quite developed by our president, Mr. Narendra Modi. Right now, it looks like Queen's Necklace at night due to so many lights around it and the development. Okay. They are telling that big film stars, leaders, and sportspersons also come here. Maybe when I go there, I might see them there. Okay, riverfront is such an area that developed in such a way that attracts even the film stars, leaders, and sportspersons. And even Mama blamed that if you will go there at any time, you can get bumped with any of them, right? These days, Mama is so worried. I cannot ask him to take me to riverfront. Last week, some people had come with a notice that everyone should move out of this place. Okay, nowadays, Mama is getting tired and being stressed. Why? Because some people that came to them suddenly and tell them to move out from that place means to vacate that place completely. Okay, this place belongs to government, so it should be vacated. Mama is saying that this is the third time in the last 10 years that he got such a notice. People who live here have been given another place to make their houses, but it's a little far. Mama will have to spend more money and time to reach at his workplace. Mommy will have to find some other work, and how will I be able to visit my mother? Yet, mother is not completely well. Okay, no doubt they are telling to evacuate such a place, but even they are not so cruel. They are providing their another place to be live there. But the thing was, the mama was worried due to if he will move out to the new place, so he will have to spend most of the money in traveling. And then even Tejal is worried. Why? Because hospital would be far away then. Okay, so she was also worried that how could she visit her mother who is not completely well. Okay, please read this page twice and find out the what mama will do. Just guess it. Okay, now this is the exercise you'll have to write in your notebook. I'll discuss for you. Why does Mama have to change his house? Okay, what do you think? Why Mama have to change his house? Okay, because some people had come with a notice that everyone should that they should vacate the place. Okay, as it is of government. Have you ever moved from your house? If yes, why did you have to move? Okay. Have you ever moved? I don't think so. Anyone means except one or two might be have not moved. And if you have moved from your house, then why? That reason you have to write your own. Do people in your family have to go far for their work? Where do they go? How far do they have to go? Okay. Just see your family members and just think about them that any one of any one of them have to go any far away the places to do work. If yes, then where do they go? I'll give you an example. if I'm living in Dharmaj and going Baroda for doing my job, then it is called long distance, right? Now you just think about your family members. Any one of them have to go far away for job? If yes, where do they go? And how far they have to go, that you have to write. I mean the distance in kilometers. Okay. Is it right that Mama and others have to move because a hotel is going to be built there? According to me, it's not good. Okay, it's not right. Because just for the purpose to building a hotel, we should not evacuate that place who might be providing the facilities to thousands of people over there from the years, right? Who will be benefited from this? What do you think? Of course, the government and the other people who are behind the scenes, right? Will have to face difficulties. What do you think? Who will have to face the difficulties? Of course, the people like Mama, those who are living there from the years and surviving by doing other work, they will face difficulties. Do you know about any people who have faced problems similar to Tejal's Mama? Talk about it in class. For this, you have to ask your parents or grandparents so they can help you. Okay, that's it for today. This is the new chapter 18, water from different places. I want you make the notes, the sources of water. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.